This is the Ementol 48-piece deep drive impact socket set. Another goodie for you automotive folks out there, or just handyman in general. I did my research and this seemed to have been the best deal for my buck, because I have the luxury of buying all brand new tools. Okay, let's see. Oh shoot, nice. Okay, so I initially opened it up backwards. So let me fix everything up in here. A nice, I don't know if you can see that, comes with a nice oil on them. How every good tool set should come, so it doesn't come rusted. A nice little oil sheen. Perfect. Just how I like. There's a 6-inch. Well, there's a 6-inch extension, 3-inch, and then 6-inch extension. Adapter from 1/2 to 3/8, a 3/8-inch swivel. And let's turn this around so you can see this better. So the deep sockets go from 8 millimeters metric. So it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. They skip 20, but then go to 21 and 22. Then you have the same set for the regular sockets. And then the standard, which I barely ever use, but 5/16 all the way up to 3/4. Lug nut socket, basically 21. Perfect. Can't wait to use this swivel. So awesome. And the adapter from 1/2 inch to 3/8. This is cool, guys. Definitely get this. Did not come damaged, did not come rusty like I was saw in some of the other reviews. This comes with a slightly oiled, which how every good tool should come. And this is everything that it comes with. This is definitely good quality. There you go. Line this down a little bit more. Perfect. Perfect. Totally impressed. For the price, I only paid 40 bucks for this. So for the tools for the sockets that I got, I am completely and utterly impressed. Can't wait to use it. Hard case. It's perfect.